No.
Oh no! K, Layna, aloha playtime.
Aloha, this is Aloha Playtime. I'm K.
This is me, Layna, and we're gonna make
Ramen from Tokyo Disney.
We bought this at Tokyo Disneyland.
Minnie and Mickey.
Yay.
Open it. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. Oh my god.
How
There's
many?
some more.
How many packages inside? 6 packages. You have tape on your face. We need a plate.
A tiny plate.
Yeah. Let's put a water inside. And click on top.
Okay.
Let's click. Yeah, and then wait till it boils, okay? So number 1 is put it in a cup.
So do I
Open one package, just one. And put your noodle in.
No. I'm gonna put the noodle in first, and then after when we put the noodles in, we're gonna do this.
Woo! Woo woo! The ramen. The ramen.
Oh my god, it smells so
It smells so good.
Score! Landed right in the scissors.
She just ate it. Okay. Oh my goodness.
That came like a blast.
Oh no.
Can I
Alright.
put it back in the cup?
No, not the one that's on the ground. Don't put it in the.
I gotta pick them.
It tastes good.
Oh, I bet. Okay, so the noodles in.
That's my cup.
I'm still picking.
そんなにこぼしたの
I'm like 7 berries.
Okay, let's open the packet and put it inside a cup. It has a slit. So what you do is shake it a little bit.
Like that?
Oh, let me see. Shake it from the top, yeah. So that all the powder is on the bottom. So when you open it, it doesn't get messy. Yes,
And
thank
take
you.
it out nicely, please.
Yes, take it out nicely.
Comment below whoever like ramen.
Oh, it tastes
I'm a ramen, I'm a ramen, I'm a ramen.
You're not a ramen.
Oh, I saw Mickey Mouse.
I wanna see. There's a Mickey Mouse. Oh,
Mickey.
Oh,
But you
So
can already
cute.
see Mickey Mouse on the cup.
like a kamaboko. Oh, smells so good. Just to cover the noodle. You can control how much flavor you want. So if you want it like strong flavor, you put less water.
Mickey Mouse, Mickey.
And do not cover. Wait 2 minutes.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, it looks different. Mine look good.
Yeah, this looks good. I hope you still have a timer on.
Can I eat it? It tastes good, belly belly.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Now can I?
Yes, you can mix it.
Oh no, Mickey Mouse! Mickey Mouse! I think it's good. It's kind of like ramen is. Ooh. Can I try it?
Oh, might be hot, so you have to hoo-hoo.
This is how it's hot. So I'm gonna wait.
No, you have to mix it first.
Mix it.
Yeah.
How does it taste?
Good.
I put ice.
Wait, let's put hair up so she don't eat the hair with the noodle.
Yeah.
It tastes like normal ramen.
So it's shoyu. Look at Mickey Mouse. There's a Mickey Mouse.
Does it taste good? Let me try Mickey Mouse. Not bad. This tastes my favorite.
Not bad. Taste your favorite.
It tastes good.
You like it? Tastes good?
I say it tastes good.
So I think this is a shoyu ramen. Mickey moyo
That's
no
why it tastes
kamaboko.
good.
Oh yeah, you guys like shoyu ramen. And there's 6 of them. 6 mini ramen.
Mickey.
Mini, like
Mini?
small. I meant like small ramen. Oh, maybe yours are double. Look like thick. Oh no, you need to break it apart. You guys are like stuck to each other. Oh yeah, you didn't mix it
I got a
good.
triple.
You got a triple. You gotta break it apart.
I see every ramen store I go to. I see everyone wearing this.
They are wearing a hat when they're making ramen.
They all wear this. They all wear this.
Well, it's a hat. It's not
But they
that.
always wear like this. Like that.
Inkaboo.
Like this.
You're so hot. It's always sweating. You look like a ramen noodle shop, like ramen chef or something. Oh, look, from the clear part, you can cut it from the clear part. Doing it from like the arrow place. There's an arrow. Okay.
I want to eat this for lunch.
This is for lunch. This is your
I want
lunch.
to eat this for dinner.
Dinner too?
ごちそうさまでした。
はーい。
Comment down below which ramen do you like the best.
醤油、塩、味噌、豚骨。
Or you ramen.
You like 醤油ラーメン。
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hey, why are you getting water? You have to go inside the video.
I'm done.